If I set a custom release date, when will my songs appear in streaming services? We are back with another video answering a simple question. It's honestly easy to find this information if you just put it in Google, but if you put it in YouTube, then you'll find this video. And we are going to be using an article on the distrokid.com website titled the same way this video is titled. So if it's important to you for your music to come out on all streaming services on the same day, then you will need to set a future release date, and in the future by 4 weeks. 4 weeks allows all these platforms to be in sync in releasing your music. This article starts out by saying you can specify a release date with the Musician Plus or Ultimate plan. By setting a release date, you are telling these platforms that I would like you to review my music within this period of time before the date of release, and for it to be ready in stores by the release date. So Distrokid makes it clear that what you need to do is ensure that you are putting your release date 4 weeks ahead of the time that you're submitting. This gives the platforms enough time to review and assess whether your music is fit to go up on their platforms. So remember that 4 weeks from the time you submit the song on Distrokid, 4 weeks for the release date minimum. Thank you for watching to the end. I'll catch you in the next video.